Divide 522 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down these 2 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down these 2 and it is 22. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 522 divided by 5 is 104 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.